Sending money using Razorpay is a straightforward process. This guide will walk you through the steps to make your transaction smoothly. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Razorpay website or download the Razorpay app. Sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. Verify your account through the email confirmation link. Step 2. Add payment method. Once logged in, navigate to the payment method section. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or debit/credit card, and enter the required details to link it to your Razorpay account. Step 3. Enter recipient details. To send money, select the option to make a payment or transfer funds. Enter the recipient's details, including their Razorpay account information or mobile number, and specify the amount you wish to send. Step 4. Confirm transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Razorpay link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Receive confirmation. After the transaction is processed, you will receive a confirmation notification via email or in-app notification. Keep this for your records and check with the recipient to ensure they have received the funds. By following these steps, you can easily send money using Razorpay. Enjoy the convenience of digital transactions.